Hey, so I have a lot of new followers. I figured it's time for me to reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Dominique Nash. I'm the mom over Welcome to the Nash house. We're a family of 6 with a support pet, and his name is Tommy. And we experienced homelessness for 6 months in 2024 at the beginning. Now I'm sharing this because there are going to be a lot of people affected by homelessness, especially over on the West Coast because of those fires. Now, throughout our journey of being homeless, the one thing that remained consistent is that home was within as long as we were all together. So I will always recommend, but you have free will, to always try to stay together. We had people offering to either take my husband and my kids in, but I was not welcome. We had some people who were offered to take me and the kids in, but he was not welcome. We had some people that welcome to take all of the people, but I got to get rid of my dog. He wasn't welcome. So, stay together. Also, I would also really encourage you to look for the blessing. I know it's hard because it's the attachments that we have as humans. Oh my God, my house is gone with all of my stuff in it. I lost everything that my husband and I had built over 15 years. Everything, but we had each other. So hindsight 2020, even though you might have lost all of your worldly possessions, it does not change the love that you have for yourself or for the ones who you are connected to. While we were on this journey, we had to have faith. So if you are experiencing homelessness, hold on to hope and hold on tight to faith. Source will never leave you where you really should not be. But you cannot worry. The more that you worry and stress, you're going to manifest the worst outcome. So we stay positive. And it pissed people off because how dare we show up and smile online when they know that we're homeless and they refuse to help us. It doesn't matter. What matters is how grateful you are for each and every blessing. You got food that day, be grateful. You got gas to get around, be grateful. If you don't have a car, somehow you got around anyway, be grateful. You're staying in the Airbnb. I would recommend you, if you are in a situation, try to get an Airbnb. Book on Verbo, okay? Sunday evening to Friday morning. The cheapest that we were able to find would be $350 roughly to stay from that amount of time. Now, you don't want to stay in the vacation rentals on the weekends because they are expensive. They want minimum $2,500, okay? Also, ask Google. I asked Google, what is the cheapest hotel rate that we can get for a family of, we're a family of 6, so I said a family of 6 for this weekend. And it will search for you. Lastly, if you have a dog, make sure that you let them know. Do not sneak a puppy in there. My dog is a registered support pet, so I had documentation, so I didn't have to pay for him. But if you do have to pay for your dog, it should not be no more than $25. You're going to make it through it. It will be hard. But on the other side of it, you will be more grateful for each and everything that you get, I promise. And anything that you lost, just know it's making room for things that you need in your new. I love you. Keep your head up. I know it's hard. It's devastating. But look at me. I'm happy. I'm grateful. And I'm rebuilding. I love you.